friends, this is me Laneha Junsu. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing Laneige Glowy Makeup Serum. Let's get started. It claims to be a makeup tightening boosting serum that gives the skin a radiant, healthy shine that looks like moisture. The packaging has holographic shift to it. It has 3 technical features. Light Fit Prep technology for strong adhesion. Natural mineral diamond ingredient boosts skin radiance, leaving skin smooth and glowing. Light water gel texture that moisturizes the skin and adjusts the oil-water balance of skin with ceramide. So basically, they are claiming on achieving my skin but better type of effect. This serum has a beautiful packaging. It is a glass bottle with dropper. You can see the serum from the bottle. The tiny little pink particles in it makes it so pleasing to the eyes. Now have a closer look at the pink diamond. It has little pearl or shimmer particles in it too. The product itself is very thick. It feels like a silicone gel-based serum or primer, so on the website it's said to use it before sunscreen and also to use only 2 drops for entire face. The pink diamonds dissolve into the skin as we apply it. The little shimmer particles dissolve into the skin as well, leaving the skin glowy from within with a rosy glow. So I have done my basic skincare routine and that's how I look. Now I'm applying the serum on my face. It has a faint smell of roses. This serum is a primer as well and it spreads into the face quite well. My skin looks radiant as if the glow is coming from within. It also has blurred my pores. Now I will apply foundation and do my check-ins. My makeup looks very smooth as if I have applied a filter. Come closer. Here, look at my skin. I have never achieved such flawless look with a cushion foundation. The makeup applied really well after this serum. So within these 6 hours, I washed my face thrice for voodoo. My makeup is kind of still surviving on my face, so all in all I will rate it 5 by 5. It does what it claims and it is worth every penny. A little goes long way as well. This is me Laneha Junsu signing off. Bye.